Class of 2020, 5,000 years. 5,000 years of learning, reading, performing, writing, debating, exploring, making, deconstructing, translating, acting, and discovering. For one person to have learned and studied and engaged and listened and spoken out as much as all y'all have collectively would have taken that one person 5,000 years to do by themselves. Let me explain how I got that figure, 5,000 years. The average SSU graduate leaves with 128 units. So that means you've probably been in class for just about 2,000 hours. And you've probably also done another 2,000 hours or so of studying, homework, internships, field trips, performances, lab experiments, and all kinds of other related learning activities. Now, if you multiply all those hours of academic learning and engagement that you've done by the nearly 2,500 graduates of the class of 2020, that comes out to a bit under 10 million hours. Now, the government's Bureau of Labor Statistics says that just over 2,000 hours is the standard number of hours that one person works in 1 year. And if you take that 10 million hours divided by 2,000, that comes out to 5,000 years. So, class of 2020, it's good that you have strength in numbers. So you get to divide the task, but you can share the experience. So here you are, class of 2020. Some of y'all finished within 4 years, most of you within 6 years. But even if it's taken you longer, the main thing is that you made it. You're here now, and you've finished. So congratulations for a job well done. Now, what are some of the things that you've gained at Sonoma State? Well, you've learned and practiced compassion. Compassion as we work through our challenges, our academics, and our place in this world together. You've built community as you've built and strengthened connections to friends, to classmates, to professors, and this region. And you've learned to confront racism, confront bias, and confront the things that get in the way of an open and equal society. And you've learned that Sonoma State sits on the land of the Southern Pomo and Coast Miwok Indians, who have used this place as a hub and source of community and culture and food and inspiration since even before the university existed and to today. And you've made choices about which courses to take. After all, we have over 2,000 courses in the catalog, but you've managed to limit yourself to just a few dozen. Maybe you took cross-cultural communication and business, or maybe physics of semiconductor devices, or maybe even philosophy of love and emotion. Or maybe with me, you took the course Portuguese for Spanish speakers. And then there were the things that you didn't choose. You didn't choose to be a participant in this unique moment in history. You've experienced disruption from regional fires. You've experienced power shutdowns and smoke emergencies, and now a worldwide pandemic. And you're probably thinking you could have done without some of those last few things, and I agree, you're right. But I think you'll use those experiences, along with what you've learned, and along with your own capable and unique wisdom, to guide you and shape you and affect you in a positive way for the rest of your life. Plus, you'll have a bunch of stories to tell later on about how you had to do classes on Zoom. And in the far future, people are going to say, Zoom, what's that? It's only once in 100 years that a class is so special that the name of the class is made up of 2 repeating numbers. Class of 2020. That's you, class of 2020, once in a century. So, class of 2020, con sus 5,000 años de sabiduría y conocimiento. Felicidades. And congratulations. Go forth and with your 5,000 years of wisdom and knowledge, be well and do good in the world.